wrong, man. When I really feel like I'm busy. When I'm looking like a pop. I'm stupid shit. She always mad at somebody. But when I text her, she gonna get mad, man. Like, bruh, she always trying to get mad, man. Always trying to get mad, y'all, man. She always trying to get mad. Like somebody did something to her, man. Like she look like that. She look like this. She look like that. That's her. That's Maddie, right there. Hey, Maddie. Hey, Taco. Why would you put me in this vacuum? Cause you look like one. What the? What did you just call me? A vacuum. You better shut up. Don't tell me what's enough. I will. Don't do it. Hold your face. Hey. Oh, that's what you get. Mine. And don't talk about me on your YouTube. Okay. Let's get back to our burn business. She wasn't even talking. That was me talking. I'm just trying to shit down. But she look like that, man. With her ugly self, man. Bruh, she always trying to roast somebody like mine. She always trying to prank somebody, man. I'll put you in the headlight. And then I'll put you in the TV. I'll bust you to Donald Trump. Right, well, yo, at least still, like, who you think you is? Like, if you look at my YouTube channel, she said my name ain't no KJ Cool Money Boy. Young, and she be saying MJ, she be saying like, hold on, she be saying KJ is not a name. What? Who names they be MJ? M. That's a stupid name, ain't that? KJ Cool is a cool name. Like, who do you think you is? I got my GoPro on. Do you ever, she'll never smile anytime. What did he, she'll never play. She always trying to beat me and her sister. But then, when I get on her sister's side, she always saying, hey, Bookie, come here. I gotta show you something. I'm sorry. You should have been saying something, before that, man. When I mess with her, she always say, you always gotta get by her. That's my knee, man. I don't even be with my niece like that, man. What you think this is? Do you look at me like that? She always play with somebody on Roblox, man. But she don't even play with me, man. She play with her other cousins, chill. Chill, man. What you is, man? You ain't nobody. Who do you think you is, man? Nobody. You don't even think you is, man. Who do you think you is? You ain't nobody, man. Who she think she is? Who do you think she is, man? Who? Man? Who you think
what did I say?
Yeah, that's what I thought. Me. But if you're a hater of me, I'm slapping you. Man, she don't never. You always think I'm addicted to this. A real one of these. Bruh, chill out. I'm addicted. You addicted to these. I'm addicted to none. I'm just addicted to trying, man. None of them, man.